Do you want to learn how to create an epic drone shot with an Insta360 camera? Well, gee, looks like you're in the right place at the right time. No drone, no problem. This is the easiest drone shot that one can achieve, especially if you're a beginner. Let's get into it, shall we? Oh, we shall. Thank you, partner. Open up the Insta360 app. Go to the Stories tab at the bottom and scroll down until you find the Fly Lapse Effect. Then click on Use this theme. Go ahead and select the clip that you would like to use this effect on. You can choose multiple clips if your heart desires. Then click on Selected at the bottom. Then this merging video screen will pop up. Once AI detects the targets, this screen will pop up. You can clip the video by sliding the white bars in the center of the screen. You can unselect the targets that AI has detected. Once you are happy with how the video turned out, you can click on Export at the top right of the screen. Then click Phone Album and make sure the resolution is 1080p and the bitrate is slidden all the way to the right. And kapowie! Once this is done exporting, go to your phone album and your Fly Lapse video should be sitting there looking nice and pretty. Tip number 1. If you are driving, make sure that you don't stop for an extended period of time like at this stoplight. In this replay, as you can see, there is a cut at the stop. This is something to be mindful of when you are driving around. If you are walking around the city with traffic lights, make sure you time your walking so that you are always in motion. In this replay, I was thinking about crossing the street, but it wasn't green for me, so I walked in a circle, and you can see the little circle that I looped around before I turned right on the street. Next time, to make things easier, if I approached a red light, I would just turn right immediately so I don't have to stop at the red light or circle around before the light turns green. Being in constant motion will make the shot look more professional and awesome. Tip number 2. I would suggest playing around and unselecting some of the targets that AI has detected. Watch the preview and make sure that the video is to your liking. If you keep all of the targets selected, it will result in a video that looks like this. The video becomes choppy and it doesn't look as cinematic. Tip number 3. Make sure you are walking with the selfie stick held up as shown in this video. If you hold the selfie stick out to the side, you will probably be in frame, as you can see me on the left side of the screen here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe for this cute little puppy. So fluffy!